And hello teacher, hello Dr. K. And this is my homework 1.3 from Visual Studio C Sharp, example 2.1. Uh, so let's see this homework. Okay, first you can see the content. The content we have project overview, hardware and software connection, code creation, and examination of achievements. So, and the first part is project overview. You can see the researcher topic, and the researcher topic is the on and off of four LED lights can be remotely controlled by through computer software. The research content is the first one is build a simple Internet of Things IoT prototype system to demonstrate the basic principle of remote device control. The second part is establish zero connection between the computer Visual Studio application and the microcontroller Arduino. The third part is explore the application of zero connection in hardware control. Okay, let's see the hardware connection. The component list we need Arduino Uno for one, LED 4, and breadboard and DuBois rate, and for 220 current limiting resistor. And the connection method. The connection method is four LED are respectively connected to digital pins 10, 11, 12, and 13 of the Arduino. Each LED should be connected in series with an appropriate resistor, usually 220 to limit the current. Arduino is connected to computer running the Visual Studio application via a USB cable. Okay, let's see the software connection. This picture is from Visual Studio. Okay, so component list we need 3 buttons, 1 textbook, 1 serial port, and 1 label. The connection method Visual Studio first used for developing control interface applications. The NET framework supports the serial port class for serial communication. The serial port drive is ensure that computer can recognize the serial port of Arduino. Okay, the first we see Arduino code creation, and you can see it behave void setup, void loop, and define. This code defines 4 LED pins and the communication baud rate. Initialize the pin and the serial port in setup. Continuously check the serial port input in loop. When 0 is received, turn off all LED. When 1 is received, turn on all LED. Okay, let's see the Visual Studio code. And from initialization, automatically detect available serial ports and display them in textbook 1. The connection function. When button 1 is clicked, try to connect it to simplify serial port. The control function. When button 3 is clicked, it sends one command to turn on the LED. When button 2 is clicked, a 0 command is sent to turn off the LED. Okay. Finally, let's see the system workflow. The first, When user run Visual Studio application, the available serial ports are automatically detected. Number two, the user clicked the connection button to establish a serial port connection with the Arduino. The third one is when the user clicks the send one button, the application sends the character 1 via the serial port. The fourth is after Arduino receive 1, it sends the 4 LED pins to high, and the LED lights will light up. The five is when the user clicks the Send 0 button, the application sends the character 0 via the serial port. When Arduino receives 0, it sets the 4 LED pins to low and the lights go out. Okay, let's see the exhibition of achievements. Okay, that's all. Thank you, my teacher.